This quick tutorial will show you how to underscore on MacBook Air or MacBook Pro using the keyboard. On your Mac keyboard, the underscore button is available here. It is next to the 0, but if you press this button, you won't get the underscore. Instead, you will get a dash line. So to type the underscore, what you need to do is first use the shift button. So to use this shift button, you need to press the shift button on your Mac keyboard and hold the shift button, and now press on the underscore button on your keyboard, and now you can type the underscore. So if you want multiple underscores, just press and hold the shift button and press the underscore button. In this way you can type underscore on MacBook using the Mac keyboard. Now check out these useful videos related to Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.